mountains are often associated with green meadows, rocky slopes, and snow-capped peaks. Unfortunately, mountains of garbage are piling up in Indonesia's landfills, a heartbreaking reflection of humanity's careless footprint. Helping to change that, in 2022, a new recycling enterprise was established with recycling technology from Krones. The company is called Amandina Bumi Nusantara. Amandina is a joint venture of Coca-Cola Euro-Pacific Partners Indonesia and Dynapack Asia. As a new entrant to Indonesia's plastics recycling market, the company produces roughly 36,000 tons of recycled PET on a line delivered by Krones Recycling.
Hello, apa kabar? I'm Sohaji Kasali. I'm the Managing Director of Amandina Bumi Nusantara. The line that we have ordered from Krones, that are currently running now, is a line that is very integrated and very compact. This covers the sorting, the flaking, and also the washing to produce a high quality hot wash flakes.
So the bottle will go into the sorting facility first. So the sorting facility will be sort all of the bottle based on size, the polymer, and also the color. My name is Lani Regina. I'm managing quality and also logistics in Amandina. So manual sorter is the final sorter in the sorting facility. So we have 6 people in there to take out all of the contaminant from the collection centers. So after the manual sorter, they will go into the second facility, which is grinding and also the washing.
Once the input material has been ground in a wet grinding process, it moves on to the MetaPure W washing module from Krones. Here, the material passes through several process steps that ultimately yield clean PET flakes that are optimally suited for further processing into pellets, films, or preforms.
So in the washing line itself, there will be sort first for the metal. So we will make sure that there are no metal going to the line. And after the metal sensor, we have separate the PET and also the others polymer.
The density separator from Krones plays a key role here. It uses water to separate the plastic flakes into 2 fractions based on their densities, those that sink and those that float. Lighter materials, like the polyolefin used in bottle caps and labels, float on the surface, while the higher density PET flakes sink to the bottom of the tank. In the next and most important step, the PET flakes are subjected to intensive washing. The combined effects of hot water and caustic soda reliably remove adhesives, dirt, oils, proteins, and other contaminants from the flakes. The materials move through this process in a first-in, first-out flow, which ensures a continuous dwell time in the media and therefore consistently high cleaning quality. The post-washer completes the washing process, giving the flakes a final, gentle rinse. It is in this step that fresh water is first fed into the system. From here, it is reused via a water cascade system. The clean flakes are then dried and, once again, sorted by size, color, and polymer. What is retained are clear, light blue PET flakes, measuring between 2 and 12 millimeters in size.
So the QC team will check every 15 minutes. So they will take a sample and then check the contaminant in the batch production, because we want to make sure in every batch production there are no contaminants going to the next process.
If everything passes inspection, Amandina can now sell the flakes packed in big bags. The result is a high-quality product, and it can also be processed further into food-grade pellets, among other things.
We are very satisfied with how Krones are committed in delivering this project. This is the partnership that we value very much with Krones. This is what we expect from our partners.
Amandina's aim is clear: to promote a circular economy for PET bottles in Indonesia and to transform waste into a valuable resource. And every bottle recycled helps to preserve the beauty of our natural environment.
Ba 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 da da.